This is project 3. So at the top, like before, on project 2, this is a bunch of constant variables being initialized. And so with this project, I basically put the whole thing in a while loop right here. And so that whole project 2 is basically put into that while loop. So it's based on this again variable, which at the end is going to be used when the customer is asked if they want to run this program again. So it's going to happen at least once because it's already y, and it's going to make sure that they have to put in a valid entry each time, because I also put those in while loops. And yeah, they have to put in the right thing, because if not, it'll print invalid and then tell them to try again. And that's for the customer's code, and then the beginning reading as well as the ending reading. And yeah, these are just the same calculations as before. And so it's going to print all the summary statements, and then at the end it's going to ask them if they want to perform the calculation again, and they can only enter y, capital or lowercase, and then n. And if not, they have to keep either entering y or n in order to actually go back. They can't just put in random inputs. And if they don't, because if this isn't y, that means it's n, and so it's gonna go goodbye at the end. So now I'll do the demo portion. Here's the demo portion. So if I enter some random inputs, it's gonna ask if I want to perform it again. So let's say yes. Okay, so it's gonna check if these entries are valid. Like, I can't put U, I can't put 4, not X. It has to be either R, C, or I. So let's do I. Now, these can't be negative numbers or over like 999, 999, 999. So if I do -1, that doesn't work. If I do negative that also won't work. And a hugely ridiculous number also does not work. I have to enter something like that. And then it's the same thing for the ending meter. Yeah, invalid entries if I do something weird. Alright, so at the end too, I have to either enter y or n. Y or n. It won't take anything else. So let's do a capital Y. Alright, one more example. Alright, so now I'll say no, and then it says goodbye.